everyone, this is Rubel from Bfix. So today you can see I have an edifier headphones, and on the headphones it's been like the headphones is pretty good, pretty decent. So we have been using this headphone. My wife has been using this headphone for like 1 or 2 years I think, and then the AirPads kind of like is damaged, it's been old, and the headbands pads is also damaged. So I bought both of them from AliExpress, you can see. Now I will replace them. Hopefully it will be as new. So let's get started. So in this video I will show you how to open the AirPads and how to open this headbands pad. Okay, so first of all you need to have this one from your tools, and then slowly just you can see. Okay, just carefully you have to go a little bit because this part is already like damaged, so you just have to go the other side. Yeah, slowly. See, there should be a click sound. Okay, if the click sound is not there, then it's a problem. Okay, so yeah, 1 click, 2 click, 3 click. Okay, it's very straightforward, very simple. 4th click, 5th click. Okay, so it is done. This one is kind of variable, and then another, this is the left side. Okay, okay, I think here is one, there is another one. Okay, so 1, 2, but it is pretty amazing. You guys can see like this headphones survived for 1.5 years without any issue, and this is high res, so the audio quality is super cool. My wife never complained about the audio quality. See, you can see it is just like new, no dust, nothing else on it. Alright, so this is moved, this one is moved, it is the same I think, so I'll try to put them in. Alright, but before that I would like to replace that one also. Okay, let me do it first. I think I need my favorite tools, and there should be a screwdriver that works with it. Let me see, I have so many choices in here. Okay, so which one? I guess this is it. No, not this is one, sorry. This is it. Probably. Okay, we'll check. Yes. Okay, so let's do it. Okay. 1. So how you do this? Just put it in. Done. That is pretty easy. And do the other one. Select it. Done. Boom. And then the other one. Okay, so done. Now take your important tools and do it. See, it is very easy. Done. Okay, I just need to remember this is this side. Okay, and there is the left side one. Anyway, let me try. Yes. Okay, so now carefully, gently there is some glue, so you can see that's glue. Okay, so I removed it. Okay, so yeah, quite okay, I think. Anyway, let me put my new one. Oh, so the new one comes with glue also. You can see there is a glue. Certainly my wife will be really happy. She will get a new headphone, perfectly working. Okay, so here you go. Put it. So just be careful because it is just one time thing. You will not have opportunity to do it several of times. It's a glue, so you need to be very careful. As you can see, I'm pressing it a little bit. Okay, here you go. I hope this is alright already. Okay, probably okay, but we'll know for sure. Yes, so there, take the screw. So it is magnetic, so no issue. Take the screw, put it in, and slowly, carefully, you need to do it. Yeah, hopefully you can see it. Okay, so here goes one, another one. Okay, so here goes two. All right, good, very good. I did it really well, really well. I did it. Okay, now the remaining part is this part. Okay, so put the lock in. Okay, and through your screws. Here's your screwdriver. Perfect. And then the another one. Just be careful that you don't break the things. Okay, so as you can see, this is perfect, super perfect. Oh, it's nice and mushy. Okay, so now let's move to replace the AirPods pads. There's a little bit of dust from all over the places. So yeah, you can see microphone for noise cancellation. Okay, so first of all, you can see two holes in there. So those two will go to those two holes. So it's very straightforward. Put it in. Okay, and then there is a click. Okay, perfect, very easy. Okay, also true for this one. Just took this two pins in there, put it on the hole, put it in the hole, and then just there should be click everywhere. And this is just like new, perfect new headphone. It is just new. My wife will be really happy. It is her favorite headphone anyway. So yeah, she's laughing seeing our video. So that's it, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel and help me to reach 1000 users. Bye bye, take care.